Looking to stay cool this summer without breaking the bank? Today, we're breaking down the best central air conditioner brands of 2025 based on real customer feedback, price ranges, efficiency ratings, warranty coverage, and special features. We've analyzed data from hundreds of Canadian homeowners to help you make the right choice for your home. And stick around, because we'll also share what actual customers have to say about their air conditioners after living with them for years. Whether you're replacing an aging system or installing central air for the first time, this guide will help you navigate the often confusing world of HVAC systems. When it comes to buying a new central air conditioner, the brand name isn't always the most important factor. In fact, did you know that many popular brands are actually made by the same manufacturers? For example, Amana, Goodman, and Daikin all use essentially the same air conditioners with different nameplates and price points. What really matters is finding a unit that offers the right balance of efficiency, features, and warranty coverage for your specific needs and budget. Let's start by breaking down air conditioners by budget category, since this is often the first consideration for most homeowners. Entry-level or economy brands typically range from $3,500 to $5,500 installed. These include brands like Goodman, York, and KeepRite. They generally offer single-stage models with standard efficiency ratings and shorter warranties. Mid-range brands fall between $4,000 and $6,000 installed and include names like Daikin, Amana, and Napoleon. These typically offer a mix of single-stage and two-stage models with better efficiency ratings and improved warranty coverage. Premium or top-tier brands can cost anywhere from $4,750 to $7,500 plus installed. These include Lennox, Carrier, and Trane. They typically offer the highest SEER ratings, the most advanced features, and the best warranty coverage, including two-stage and variable speed systems. It's worth noting that the average cost of a new central air conditioner in Canada in 2025 is about $4,625, including installation, based on data from hundreds of homeowners. When it comes to efficiency, the SEER rating, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, is the most important number to look at. The higher the SEER, the more efficient the unit, and the lower your energy bills will be. For Canadian homes, the recommended SEER range is typically between 16 and 18. Anything lower may not be efficient enough for our climate, while anything higher may cost significantly more without generating proportional energy savings. Some of the most efficient brands and models include, for premium budgets, Lennox XC20 and XC25, Carrier Infinity 26, and Trane XV18 and XV20i, all offering SEER ratings of 20 or higher. For mid-range budgets, Amana ASXC18, Daikin DX18TC, and Armstrong 4SCU20LX with SEER ratings around 18 to 19. For economy budgets, KeepRite N4A7T and Goodman GSXC16 with SEER ratings of 16 to 17. Remember that while higher SEER ratings mean better efficiency, they also typically mean higher upfront costs. You'll need to balance the initial investment against the long-term energy savings. Warranty coverage is another critical factor when choosing an air conditioner. A good warranty can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on repairs over the life of your system. The brands offering the best warranty coverage include Amana, which offers a lifetime unit replacement warranty on their premium models and some value models. This means if the compressor fails during the coverage period, they'll replace the entire unit, not just the broken part. Some of York's YXT and YXV models may come with lifetime compressor warranties, although terms apply. Daikin offers 12-year unit replacement warranties on several models, including the DX16TC, DX18TC, and DX20VC. KeepRite's CVA9 model includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty plus a 10-year parts warranty. Remember that most manufacturers require you to register your new air conditioner within 60 or 90 days of installation to qualify for these extended warranties. Without registration, coverage typically drops to just 5 years with no unit replacement guarantee. If peace and quiet are priorities for your home, several brands offer ultra-quiet operation. Goodman GSX-S6 is one of the quietest on the market, which can operate as low as 45 decibels according to Goodman, about as loud as a library. although the actual operating noise level is likely higher. Carrier Infinity 26 and Bryant Evolution Extreme 26 operated around 51 decibels. York Affinity YXV, Coleman AC21, and Luxair AL21 come in at about 53 decibels. For comparison, normal conversation is about 60 decibels, and a standard air conditioner typically operates at 70 to 75 decibels. Keep in mind that under most circumstances, when the weather is hot out, your AC will have to work harder and will make more noise than the minimum decibels listed by the manufacturers. Based on real customer feedback, here's what homeowners are saying about their air conditioners. Lennox receives high marks for efficiency and advanced features, but some customers note that replacement parts can be expensive and sometimes harder to source. Carrier and Trane are consistently praised for their reliability and longevity, with many units still running strong after 15 to 20 years. Amana and Goodman get positive reviews for their value and warranty coverage, with customers appreciating the peace of mind that comes with their unit replacement guarantees. KeepRite and other economy brands tend to score well on initial value, but may have more mixed reviews on long-term reliability. Overall, customer satisfaction tends to correlate more strongly with proper installation and maintenance than with specific brands. Even the most premium brand won't perform well if it's not correctly sized and installed for your home. Before you make a final decision, here are some critical factors to keep in mind. Proper sizing is essential. An undersized unit won't cool effectively, while an oversized unit will cycle on and off too frequently, causing uneven cooling and increased wear and tear. Always have a professional perform a proper load calculation for your home. Two-stage and variable speed models are worth considering, especially in Canada where temperatures can vary significantly. These units can operate at different levels as needed, providing more consistent comfort and better humidity control. Installation quality matters more than brand. Even the best air conditioner won't perform well if it's poorly installed. Always work with a licensed, experienced HVAC contractor. Consider your climate and cooling needs. If you live in a milder region with shorter summers, you might not need the most powerful or efficient model. Conversely, if you experience long, hot summers, investing in higher efficiency might make more sense. Don't forget about rebates. Many high-efficiency models qualify for government or utility company rebates, which can offset some of the higher upfront costs. The best air conditioner for your home depends on your specific needs, budget, and climate. For Canadians looking for the best value, we generally recommend models in the 16 to 18 SEER range from reputable brands like Amana, Daikin, KeepRite, or Lennox, depending on your budget. Remember that while brand is important, other factors like proper sizing, installation quality, and regular maintenance have a bigger impact on your long-term satisfaction with any air conditioning system. Check out more buying guides, real customer reviews, and interactive tools and cost calculators at FurnacePrices.ca. And if you found this video useful or interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more.